Taking a stand, Jamaica and other Caribbean states say no to Venezuelan President Nicolas Maduro. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, we have the proof. Petrojam confirms former Energy Minister repaid funds for controversial party.
Legal action, woman whose baby was snatched from Victoria Jubilee Hospital considers next move.
Too many rodents. Health officials lament growing rat population in section of Portland.
Dengue worries. Clarendon authorities plan course to deal with the crisis.
And in business news, urgent. Prime Minister urges action to restore Jamaica's business image.
There's also sports, post commentary and weather in the primetime package. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, do you agree with the government's position to not support the Venezuelan president?
Share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica and tweet at televisionjam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.